Y'all, I'm here at Broadway Avenue and Main Street, and we're gonna go ahead and set off the walk signs.
Wait, traveling north.
North.
Wait.
This is a Parola NZ2 button, as you can see right here. They replaced the older crosswalk buttons to a new Parola APS buttons. Sounds really cool.
Wait, traveling north. Wait, traveling north.
Alright, now we'll be crossing Main Street first, and then I'll go ahead and cross Broadway. And yes, we're gonna wait until the traffic light over here to turn red, and then I can cross. In the now here we go.
Wait. 10, 9, 8, 7, wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Now we got the older Parola APS button. They kept the old one here.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east.
Yeah, now they have the newer buttons here, and on the median it has the older one here too. Earlier you had to just put your finger on it, and now the button would be pushed and all that. Y'all, please subscribe to me, and then you'll appreciate that. I'll appreciate it.
Broadway Avenue. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
7. That was a very glitchy timer.
Wait, traveling east.
East, okay?
Wait.
Now we'll be crossing east now which is like Main Street. And yes, someone took down the Broadway Avenue sign. Some people like stole it, I think. Or maybe it's like somebody like grabbed it down for no reason. Or maybe they gotta replace that sign, because
Wait.
if somebody does not even know which sign, like which cross, it might say Broadway or Main Street too.
Wait.
But they only have one Broadway Avenue sign up here too.
Wait. Traveling east.
Now they have the newer Parola APS button here.
Wait. Traveling east. Traveling east. Wait.
Inside of this, and so inside of the button, it makes a machine gun noise inside of it while the walk sign is on. But yeah, you're gonna hear it too. Don't worry, I'm waiting. Yeah, we're gonna wait until the walk sign turns on, then we're out of here. When that orange or red hand turns off, the gray or white pedestrian guy will turn on. And then here we go.
Broadway Avenue. Walk sign. Wait. Traveling south.
South. Okay, no problem.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that one has a little glitchy timer on here too.
Wait. Traveling south.
South.
Wait. Traveling south.
Yep.
Wait.
If I cross here, that's south.
Wait.
Alright, man. Gotta wait till it's time.
Wait. Wait.
Okay. We'll be crossing south. So, yeah. And I think this button right here lets you cross east. Yeah, I heard one of these buttons fix it when I cross the street. So I think these buttons make a machine gun noise too. It's same thing as like in New York. In New York, these buttons make a machine gun noise too.
Wait. 2, 1. Wait. Traveling east.
I'd like to play around with these buttons here.
Wait. 10, 9, 8. Wait.
Oh shoot,
6,
button on back.
5, 4, 3, 2. Wait.
Yeah, that one too.
Wait. Traveling north.
North.
Wait. Traveling north.
Alright, now our next stop will be crossing Main Street here too.
Wait. Traveling north. Wait.
We're gonna wait until it's time. But please stand by until the walk sign turns on.
Wait. Traveling north. Wait. Traveling north.
Traveling north, okay? We got
Wait.
you. So, they replaced older crosswalk buttons with newer crosswalk buttons. But I think inside of the crosswalk they make the machine gun noise. And also in New York and Las Vegas, these buttons make a machine gun noise while the walk sign is on, which is pretty nice. And now in Florida, they made the machine gun noise inside of it too. You're gonna hear in a minute. So we're gonna wait.
Wait.
So the light lighted up because somebody else pushed it too. Like that button right here. This one, I pushed it because it lit up.
Wait. Traveling north. Wait. Traveling north.
Dang, that really hurt my ear. Of course, I just hit it.
Wait.
Alright, y'all, that's it.